Not even 24 hours later. I'm sitting here in my office thinking he's just playing. No, bud, don't eat it. Mommy's gonna toss it away. That's a waste of $15. Literally just bought this from Petco. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, bud. CodyBear. CodyBear. Did you just tear through that? You just tore through that. Ah, mommy's baby. Mommy's baby. Mommy's big boy. Mommy's big boy. Wait. Mommy's big boy. You getting too big to crawl through mommy's desk like this. Codes. Really? You're getting too big to start. You crawling through mommy's desk. You're getting too big to crawl through mommy's office desk, buddy. Oh. But you still mommy's big boy. Yes, you are. You still mommy's big boy. Look at mommy's big boy.